So now let's see how we can utilize out the guided low key option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the guided option right here, and here you can see low key is an option right here. So if I were to go around onto low key, then you can see that this is what you have. And now to apply low key, you can either select the color or black and white option. So if I were to go around onto color, then what happens is that it turns the picture darker, as you can see, hence the term low key right there. So it is still color, but if you want to apply low key in black and white effect, then you can go around and select black and white right there. And then you can see that it turns into black and white. Let me just go around and then choose color right here, just like this. And here you can also see that you have an option for a background brush. So if I were to go around right here, you can select the size and the opacity of the brush right here, just like this. Let me just increase out the size and paint out, and you can make the things even much more darker, as you can see, just like that. So you can go around over here and reduce the effect over here as well. So you want to remove out the effect right here. Let me just go around, turn the opacity and the size. You can remove out the effect altogether over here as well, as you can see. You can go around onto background brush, turn down the opacity, increase up the size, just like this to get a bit of the effect back over here, just like this as well, as you can see, and then just work around with this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the guided low key effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.